Today, I will walk you through the easiest improvement you can use in your Google Ads account to reduce the cost per acquisition, increase the return of ad spend, and most importantly, reduce the wasted ad spend you have in your Google Ads account right now. And by the way, this is the case in most Google Ads accounts that we take over from brands that need help for their Google Ads strategy. This strategy is always missed out on, but can save you a lot of wasted ad spend in your Google Ads journey. Without further ado, let's dive right into the Google Ads account. So here we are in a Google Ads account that we recently took over and we are optimizing right now. To actually go to the settings that I'm going to explain today, you go inside the left menu here in Tools and then Content Suitability. Then you scroll all the way down and we are going to exclude certain placements. And the reason we do this is because, of course, Google want to earn money. So if you want to create a Performance Max campaign or a display campaign, they are going to sneaky show your ads inside mobile games. But actually, most sales are coming from conversion ads inside the shopping section. So you don't want to be really visible inside the mobile games. So to do so, you go to exclude placements. Then you go to app categories and then you basically press all the drop down menu to exclude the mobile placements. Because most of the time here the sales are not coming from, but Google is going to spend your money here either way. So this small setting can literally reduce a lot of wasted ad spend you have in your account. So what we do right now is basically select all the placements here that we don't want. In total, there should be around 140 going on right now. And you can see already what kind of placements we are deselecting right here. Because we don't want to be visible on them because the sales are not coming from there anyways. So that's the reason we also don't want to spend on these placements right now. So just give me some time to pre-select them all. So I can show that there are like 140 in total. And this is the case in most Google Ads accounts that we actually take over. This settings is overseen by a lot of advertisers, especially with the Performance Max, where it's kind of hard to see where your ad spend is going. This can reduce a lot of wasted ad spend for you. Just make sure to open all the drop-down menus here as well, because they made it extra difficult to select them all. There is no button to select everything at the same time, so it's just manual work for now. All right, now we select all 140 placements. We just press simply save and that's already it. So now the excluded placements are inside the app categories here with all mobile games and things like that that you don't want to be visible on because there are no customers coming from there and your ad spend is sneakily going from there as well. So now that you know exactly how to reduce the wasted ad spend in your Google Ads account, I would highly recommend to watch the recommendation video after this, where I show you step by step our scaling strategy that actually the Google Ads headquarters from Ireland advises us to take for one of the bigger accounts that we manage the Google Ads for. I see you there.